Okay, what the heck, dude? Come on, Elton. Come on, bro.
Western Passaic County.
It's from Passaic.
The thunderstorm was located over Verdon Valley, or 7 miles west of Lloyd, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Bro, what the heck?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to
Dude, really?
is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
Bro, we got
The
SVR.
severe thunderstorm will be near Upper Greenwood Lake around 2 p.m. More winds around 2 or 5
Goodness,
p.m.
what in the heck?
Greenwood Lake around 2:15 p.m. For your protection,
Wait,
move
what?
to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Hold up, guys, I'm doing
Large
something.
hail, damaging winds, and continuous clouds to ground likely are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers.
Like, what the heck?
Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous clouds to ground likely are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Bro, what the heck?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued
Put it
through
here.
2:45 p.m. for the following county: Passaic,
Goodness.
New Jersey, in Orange, New York.
What in the heck?
14 seconds. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms early this afternoon.